Hi, I'm Corey McDonald, Quality Control Manager with Harwood Homes. Today, let's talk about changing the air filters in the attic. It's very important to keep clean filters, just for air cleanliness and quality of the unit itself. In the first year, we recommend changing the filters out once a month with a 20 by 25 by 1 inch air filter. Due to all the excessive construction debris blowing through the neighborhood and in the house, those filters are going to get dirty pretty quick. So change them out every 30 days. As you get to the end of the year, start of year 2, you're going to switch over to the 20 by 25 by 4 inch filter. Those filters are going to last you 6 months at a time. So then you're only changing them out twice a year. To change out the filter, we're going to open this access panel on the unit. You have 2 clips, unlatch them, open the door. You're going to pull your filter that's in there out. We're going to put our new filter in using the slot that's provided. Make sure the arrows are pointed in the right position inside the unit. When we're done, close the door back, close the clamps back on the unit, and you're all done. As long as you change the filters out regularly and keep up the maintenance, you'll remain in great standing with your home warranty on the unit.